Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another DIY. This is more of like a farmhouse tray using all Dollar Tree items, and I think this cost me less than $5 to make. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. To make this tray, we're going to start off with these two wooden plaques, I guess. These are new at Dollar Tree. Do you guys see how I'm using the scissors to remove that staple? Sometimes when I'm watching my own videos, I'm like, what was I thinking? One wrong move. It's like pointing at my hand. But anyway, I'm going to take the handle off, or the twine off, and the staple as well. Use pliers or scissors to remove the staple. But even if you don't remove it, it's not important because we're not going to be able to see it. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take these beads. Remember, a lot of these items are new, so definitely check out your Dollar Tree. These are so long for $1.25. That's a steal. So I did pick up the white and the black one, and this is a strand that has like a little rainbow at the end and a tassel. Those are super long. Okay, so try to look for those, but if you don't find them, they have like even natural color wood where you can go ahead and paint it black and white. Or you can go ahead and pick any color you'd like. But anyway, I'm going to take that rainbow off, and then I'm going to slide the beads right off the twine. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click the bell because you don't want to miss out on my next video. Now that the beads are ready, I'm going to alternate between the black and the white bead. Using my glue gun, I'm going to go around the rim and glue it down. And now it's time to add the legs. Now this might vary from one person to another because you might want your tray a little higher. As for me, I'm just putting in 4 beads onto the bottom. But if you want it higher, you can go ahead and use a Jenga piece if you have it, or you can pile up the beads. As you can see, there were extra ones in the bowl there. So you can go ahead and use 2 or 3 if you want your tray standing taller. Now here I'm going to go in with the nice old mixture of E6000 and hot glue. The reason I'm using E6000 is for it to have a more permanent hold. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is that when you're applying your hot glue and applying it onto the wooden tray there, or the wooden plaque, you want to make sure you're applying hot glue onto the opening. You don't want the opening to show in between the wooden pieces. So here I'm applying the glue onto the opening once again at the top there, and then I'm going to apply my hot glue, and then quickly I'm going to place the second piece of wood there. Making sure they're nice and straight, of course. You can go ahead and skip out on the hot glue and just use E6000 because E6000 is a bit forgiving. You can kind of still move the wood piece around just to make sure it's straight. But I just went ahead and used hot glue for the purpose of the video, and yeah, just placed it in quickly and it was nice and straight. But you can skip out on the hot glue and just wait for E6000 to seal because it does take a while to completely seal. And here I am just making sure that it's nice and straight, and here's how it looks. It's super cute. Now look when we add a little bit of decoration and it looks amazing. I love it. Tell me what you think. Let me know down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.